Hello friends, a very warm welcome to the Crochet Hook channel. See, today we are going to learn how to crochet this absolutely beautiful and so very elegant crochet square motif. It looks so beautiful and yet it's such a simple pattern to work. It just gets completed in 1, 2, 3 and 4 rounds and that's it. You can incorporate it into a variety of crochet projects, be it shawls, mufflers, jackets, cardigans, tops, whatever you wish. For the friends who are joining me here for the first time, please do consider subscribing to my channel. That really matters a lot. That really inspires, keeps us connected. You get a notification each time I post on my channel and that really helps my channel grow. So let's get ahead and have fun crocheting it together. To begin with, grab a yarn of your choice and a compatible crochet hook. I'm working with the 3.5 mm crochet hook here. So here to begin with, work a slip knot. This is how I prefer to work my slip knots. This is the easiest way I find. Then just tighten it up and it's done. Now work 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Right? We have 5 chains worked. Now insert the hook into the very first chain just worked. Pull up a loop, work a slip stitch to join it. See, a magic ring is created. Now we'll be working the first round into this magic ring. So then here, for the round 1, work 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3 and yarn over. Insert the hook at the center of this ring, into the ring, pull up a loop. We have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, then yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops, 1 double crochet is worked here. So counting first chain 3 also as a double crochet, we have 2 double crochets worked here. After this, work 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then yarn over and here into the ring we are going to work 2 double crochets together. So how we are going to do it? Yarn over and insert the hook into the ring, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops and keep the 2 remaining loops on the hook. Now again yarn over and insert the hook into the ring, pull up a loop. Again yarn over, just pull through first 2 loops like this. So here we have 2 double crochets worked halfway. Then yarn over, pull through all the loops on the hook. 2 double crochets are worked together here. This is 2 DC together, right? So here then, after this 2 DC together, work 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. Yarn over, again we are going to work 2 DC together here. So insert the hook with your yarn over into the ring, pull up a loop and just work this double crochet halfway. So yarn over, just pull through first 2 loops. Yarn over again, insert the hook into the ring and pull up a loop. We're going to work this double crochet also halfway, so just yarn over and pull through first 2 loops. Now yarn over, pull through all the loops on the hook. We have 2 double crochets worked together. So the pattern repeat for this round 1 is 5 chains, 2 DC together, 3 chain, 2 DC together. And again we have worked 1 repeat of this pattern and 3 more to go. So after this 2 sets of 2 DC together, again work 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And after 5 chains, again repeat this 2 DC together, 3 chain, 2 DC together. So yarn over into the ring, insert the hook, pull up a loop, work this DC halfway, then yarn over, again insert the hook into the ring, pull up a loop, work this next double crochet halfway, then pull through all the loops. The 2 DCs are worked together. Then work 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, yarn over, work 2 DC together one more time the same way. Simple. So we have worked this pattern twice and now 2 more times. So then work 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, pull up a loop, work 1 double crochet halfway, yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, pull up a loop, work the second double crochet halfway, then yarn over, pull through all the loops, 1 set of 2 DC together is worked, then work 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, yarn over, again work 1 more set of 2 DC together. The same way. So we have here 3 repeats of the pattern. Now work 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and see here we have worked this first set of 2 DC together where we had this first chain 3 and this double crochet that also stands for 2 DC together to begin with. So We'll just work the pair for this one here. So yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, pull up a loop and work 2 DC together the same way here. And then work 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and now into this 1, 2, 3 top third chain, insert the hook, pull up a loop, work 1 slip stitch to join this round 1 here. This is how it looks after 4 repeats of the pattern. After the completion of the first round, this is how it looks. Let's move on to the next round. So for the next round, around this next chain 5 here, work 1 slip stitch to reach there like this, then work 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. This chain 3 stands for 1 double crochet here and yarn over. Into this chain 5, work 4 more double crochets, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Counting first chain 3 also as a double crochet, we have 5 double crochets worked. Then work 1 chain, then yarn over into the same chain 5 space, work 5 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have worked one corner of this square and now into this next chain 3 space here, around it work 1 single crochet like this, and this is the repeat. 5 double crochet, chain 1, 5 double crochet in the chain 5 space, and then in this chain 3 space just work 1 single crochet, and we are going to work this 4 times. So then yarn over, we have this chain 5 ahead, around it or into it work 5 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then work 1 chain, then yarn over, work 5 DCs into the same chain 5 space below, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Having worked 5 double crochets, chain 1, 5 double crochets in this chain 5 space, in the next chain 3 space just work 1 single crochet. Repeat this pattern 2 more times and I'll see you here at the end of this round. See here, I have worked this pattern 2 more times, work this last set of 5 double crochet, chain 1, 5 double crochet, and to end this round here, into this last chain 3 space, around it work 1 single crochet, and to join it into this 1, 2, 3 top third chain, simply work 1 slip stitch to join this round here. This is how it looks after the completion of 2 rounds. Now to begin the next round, what we will do, just stretch this loop. We have slip stitch here and we have this single crochet here, and we want to take out the loop here. So insert the hook at the center of the single crochet. See, between these 2 strands I'm inserting my hook, and then grab this loop and just bring it onto the front like this. Simple. And here we are going to work and begin the next round. So work 6 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 here. First chain 3 stands for 1 double crochet. Next chain 3 is the chain 3 gap in the pattern. Then yarn over and into the same single crochet between these 2 strands of the single crochet, insert the hook and work 1 double crochet here like this. See, a V stitch is created here atop this single crochet. Simple. Now work 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and skip all the DCs in the corner. In this chain 1 we want to work. So into this chain 1, work 1 single crochet, then work 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. Again into the same chain 1 space, work 1 single crochet. So we are working a V stitch atop this single crochet, then we work 4 chains, and then we create 1 single crochet, chain 3, 1 single crochet into the chain 1 space at the corner, and this is the pattern repeat for this round. So again we have worked the corner, now we want to cover this space, so we'll be working 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4, then yarn over and we have the single crochet, skip all the DCs, and in the single crochet here at the center of it, insert the hook and work 1 double crochet. The pattern for the V stitch is 1 double crochet, chain 3. So then work 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, then yarn over, work 1 more double crochet into the same single crochet below. Simple. See, a V-stitch is created. Again, work 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4. In the corner, chain 1, skip all the DCs. In the corner, chain 1, here work 1 single crochet. Then work 3 chains, then work 1 single crochet. Simple. Just repeat this pattern 2 more times and I'll see you here. See here, I have repeated this pattern all the way around and worked the last corner and also work the last set of 4 chains to join this round here across these DCs here into this 1, 2, 3 top third chain. Insert the hook, simply work 1 slip stitch to join this round here. This is how it looks after we have worked this round. Begin the next round here into this V-stitch in its chain 3 space around it. Work 1 slip stitch to reach there. Then work 1 chain. Again work 1 single crochet into this chain 3 space here like this. And then work 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now yarn over and we're going to skip this midsection. We are going to work in this chain 3 space at the corner. So here into this chain 3 space work 2 DC together. So yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, then yarn over again, insert the hook into the loop, into the stitch or chain 3 space, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops only, then yarn over, pull through all the loops. 2 DC together is worked 1 time and we are going to work here 5 such 2 DC together sections. So work 3 chains. After these 2 DC together, work 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3. Again yarn over, work 2 DC together here. The same way. Then work 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3. One more time, work a 2 DC together cluster. So we have 3 clusters of 2 DC together. Now work 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and atop this third cluster of 2 DC together just work a slip stitch here like this. And then work 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3. Now after this chain 3, yarn over and into the same chain 1 space work a cluster of 2 DC together the same way. Then work 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3. Yarn over, work 1 more cluster of 2 DC together into the same chain 1 space the same way. And this is what we have worked in the corner. This is how it looks. And from here till here, this is the pattern we are going to repeat 3 more times all the way around. So then after completing this section in the corner, we are going to work 7 chains on this side first. So work 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then into this 3 chain space at the center of the V-stitch work 1 single crochet and work 7 chains again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now we'll create the same corner into this chain 3 space at the next corner. So here see, we have worked 1, 2, 3. First we worked 3 clusters of 2 DC together separated by 3 chains, and then we work 7 chains, work a slip stitch atop it. Then we work 3 chains, work a cluster, work 3 chains, work a cluster like that. So after working 7 chains, yarn over into the chain 3 space in the next corner, work 2 DC cluster here. Then work 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3. Again work a 2 DC together. 1 and 2. The second time, then work 3 chains and then again work a 2 DC together the third time. And then after working the third set of 2 DC together, work 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and atop this 2 DC together here, insert the hook like this, pull up a loop, work a slip stitch, kind of picotage work, and then work 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3. We'll work 2 more sets of 2 DC together separated by 3 chains. So yarn over into the same chain 3 space, work 1 set of 2 DC together first, then work 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3. Then yarn over, work 1 more set of 2 DC together the same way, and that. So this is how it looks after completion of 2 corners, and just carry on the same pattern from here till here. 2 more times and I'll see you here at the end of this round. See here, I have worked all the 4 corners and worked the mid sections of this chains here, and work this 4th corner, work this last set of 7 chains as well. To join this round here, see, we have this single crochet atop this V-stitch in its chain 3, into the single crochet at the center of it, insert the hook, pull up a loop, just work 1 slip stitch to join this round here. This is how it looks. This square looks so pretty, so elegant, and so the pattern gets completed and we want to secure it. Put a knot here and just cut the thread, secure it tightly and sew in the loose end on the back side of this square. So this beautiful elegant square gets completed. I loved working it with you. Please do share with me how do you find my videos. If at all they are helpful to you, I would love to hear from you. Have fun learning, have fun crocheting. See you next time.